Hello everyone! Is your car having trouble shifting gears, slipping or even refusing to move? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0780 transmission shift malfunction, this means your car's transmission is failing to shift correctly due to a mechanical or electronic issue. Ignoring this can lead to complete transmission failure, but don't worry. I'll explain what P0780 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0780? The P0780 Trouble Code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an issue with the transmission shift mechanism. This could be due to faulty solenoids, damaged sensors, or internal transmission failure. Symptoms of P0780 include harsh or erratic shifting, transmission, slipping or stuck in one gear, delayed acceleration or no movement at all, check engine light and transmission, warning light on poor fuel economy due to improper gear shifting. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0780. To diagnose P0780, check these critical components: shift solenoids, A, B, C, D, E, etc. Location: inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure to engage and disengage gears. Transmission Control Module, TCM, Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: usually mounted on the transmission housing or in the engine bay, near the firewall or under the dashboard. Function: sends electrical signals to shift solenoids for smooth gear shifting. Transmission Range Sensor, TRS. Neutral safety switch. Location: mounted on the side of the transmission, near the shift linkage. Function: detects the position of the gear selector and sends data to the PCM. Input and output speed sensors. Location: attached to the transmission housing, near the input and output shafts. Function: helps the PCM determine when to shift gears. Wiring and connectors run between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM-TCM. Common causes of P0780: faulty shift solenoids. If one or more shift solenoids fail, the transmission won't shift properly. Worn out transmission fluid. Old or contaminated fluid can prevent smooth shifting. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. A failing TCM can send incorrect signals. How to fix P0780. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Make sure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect shift solenoids. Use a multimeter to check resistance and continuity. Step 3. Examine the transmission range sensor. Test if it's detecting the correct gear position. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose connections. Step 5. Test the TCM. Step 6. Check for internal damage. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. A P0780 transmission shift malfunction can cause serious drivability problems, so diagnosing it early can save you from expensive repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring, sensors, and fluid condition to ensure smooth gear shifts. Watch these related videos next. P0426, Catalyst Temperature Sensor, P0427, Catalyst Temperature Sensor Low Input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.